Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to 1 plus cosine x. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides, and you got about du equal to negative sine x ds. Because we don't have the negative sign in here, so I put the negative next to du. So this one we change by u. Sine x ds we change by negative du. The integration of this one, you got about negative ln of the absolute value of u, and we put about c. About u, that's about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.